Hi, I'm Jacqueline from the Edith Lando Virtual Learning Center, and in today's video, I'm going to show you a sample of day-to-day tasks, including moving workshops between accordions, changing a workshop's next session date, updating the registration button's text, and embedding a YouTube video recording. First, let's look at moving workshops between accordions on the workshops page. So for example, after a session in September 2023 is complete, if the next session is in December 2023, then the custom field will need to be updated as shown. The values for these custom fields are formatted as follows on the screen. Another common task is changing a workshop's next session date. So for example, after a workshop session is complete, if the next one in the series is, say, on February 12th, then you would change the highlighted portion to reflect the date. This would be the date of the closest upcoming session. One question you might have is about what happens once there is no next session. So for example, say the workshop series is complete or there was just a single session in the workshop offering. So in that case, after its completion, the next session custom field can be deleted in its entirety for the given workshop post. There are several ways to format the registration button's text. First of all, for workshops with one session only, the text would indicate register now, and the button would link to the corresponding registration post, which is separate from the workshop post itself. Multi-part workshops, so workshops that have more than one session, would use the Learn More text, and this button would link to the workshop post itself. For all workshops that are no longer open for registration, the text will be changed to registration closed on the button. This would occur most frequently when a workshop has finished. Another common task, this time not using any custom fields, is embedding a YouTube video recording. The iframe code block is kept the same between different workshop posts, and the only thing that needs to be changed is the YouTube link itself. Notice how the ending of the link is changed as per the slide. I will now show you a sample of where this is seen on the website. Now, after going over the common tasks, let's look at a common mistake that's encountered. Make sure that only public-facing URLs are used and avoid the inclusion of preview links in general. A preview link is obtained when you copy the URL from a post that has not been published, such as this. When you create a post, the visibility automatically defaults to public, and we usually maintain it as such. It is okay for a post to have a visibility of public, even if it is not public-facing yet, because unless categorized accordingly, the post will not appear in any part of the site. On the screen, now that the post is published, the URL is no longer a preview link, as you can see here. That's all for today, and thank you for watching.